Hello, it's War Dog here with a new video playlist titled InGround Vinyl Pool Liner 101. And so this entire playlist is intended to teach you everything that you ever wanted to know about pool liners, from the basics of what a pool liner is to how to properly choose your next pool liner replacement, to how to get the most out of your pool liner and make it last longer, all that good stuff we're going to cover. If you own a vinyl swimming pool, my suggestion is to watch every video in this playlist, because you're going to learn something about your pool, and a lot of you will learn things that you've never heard before, completely new information that's going to save you a ton of money. So I do suggest that you watch everything. So why should you listen to me? My call sign in the Marines was War Dog, so my nickname now is War Dog. Everybody calls me War Dog. But I'm also the CEO of LazyDayPools.com, one of the largest vinyl pool remodeling companies in America. And I'm also the CEO of EverNewPoolLiners.com, which is the franchising brand for Lazy Day Pools. So basically, EverNew is the brand that we're using to spread our business model across the country. And so if you're looking to start your own business, you may want to look into purchasing an EverNew franchise. That's my only sales pitch for this entire video series, but had to throw it out there. Anyway, what we're going to be doing in this playlist is we're going to be talking about all things having to do with your pool liner. Everything from the basics, which I'm about to cover, to longevity, designs, how to choose a pool liner, where pool liners tend to leak, where pool liners tend to fail, thickness. We're going to cover all of these topics. These are all of the things that my customers continually ask me over and over again. So we're going to cover these all in one video playlist so that you'll have access to all this information. Once again, if you own a vinyl pool, I do suggest that you watch all of these videos to get all the information. I'm going to keep each video short so that you can choose the topic that you want to watch, but I do suggest you watch all of them. So let's get started. Basics. This is pretty simple, and it will be pretty quick. A vinyl pool liner is simply the thin vinyl membrane that covers the entire bottom of your vinyl swimming pool. And the purpose of a vinyl pool liner is to just keep water in the pool and prevent water from leaking out of the pool. Vinyl is a perfect material for this, because vinyl can be cut to fit any shape of bottom of pool, and it can even be cut to fit custom things like tanning ledges, benches, vinyl over steps, things like that. Also, it has a slight amount of stretch to it, which allows you to stretch it into tight areas like corners and things like that. And people who have become experts at measuring pool liners can make a pool liner fit like a glove on pretty much any pool that you can possibly think of. So vinyl is a great pool construction material, and vinyl pools is all that we focus on. They've come a long way in the past 20 years. Long way. There's so much customization, so many things that you can do with them. It really is incredible. The technology has come so far. And so that is what a vinyl pool liner is. If you own a vinyl pool, you can tell that you have a vinyl pool by the skimmer. If the skimmer, which is the square hole at the top of the wall inside of your swimming pool, it's the little square hole that sucks the water in. If that is surrounded by a plastic faceplate, then you most likely own a vinyl pool. It's possible it's a fiberglass pool, but it's most likely a vinyl pool. So that is the basics. That's just what a vinyl pool liner is. I'm trying to keep this as simple as possible and as short as possible. So now we're going to move on to manufacturers.